Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our new course Introduction to Programming in Python. In this course we will discuss about the basics of the Python, what a Python programming language can do, and we will also do work on the different frameworks of Python. But first we will learn about the basics of Python. Now, first of all, Python is a high level language. What is a high level language? High level language means the language with syntax is close to the human language and far away from the machine language. Basically, the syntax is familiar to the English that we speak in our daily lives. The language support multiple paradigms including procedural, object oriented and functional programming. You can do object oriented programming in the Python, and also you can do functional programming. At most of the time Python framework supports functional programming rather than object oriented programming. The same programming language can be used in different ways. We can use Python in web development, mobile application development, chatbot development, telegram bot development, machine learning model development, machine learning model training, payment integration, API development, and much more. We will discuss later, but first, our goals are to discuss these 8 aspects of the Python, and you can say the frameworks of Python. Now, let's move to the basics of Python. Now, key features of Python. Why you have to choose Python? Why you don't have to choose Java, Ruby? There are much more other languages in the market, but why we will choose Python? We will choose Python because of readability. The first feature of Python is readability. Python syntax is designed to be clear and readable, making it easy for developers to write and maintain code. The Python programming language is also indentation programming language because you don't have to use anymore the semicolons and the brackets in your code. You can just simply type your code like you're typing English. Also, second key feature is extensive standard library. Extensive standard library means Python becomes with a comprehensive standard library that include models and packages for various purposes, allowing developers to perform a wide range of tasks without writing additional code. Means the libraries are there are a lot of libraries in the Python that are already written by some developer. You just need to import them in your code and then just pass the values, and they will calculate and operate operations on those values and give you the output, and which means you don't have to write additional code from your own side, from your own self. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code is executed line by line. Like the code is executed in the C++, the way of execution of code is from top to bottom. Okay. Okay. The fourth key feature of Python is community support. There is a large community of Python over GitHub, and also there are multiple community platforms of Python on the internet. One of the most famous community platform is Kaggle, where you can find a lot of data sets and a lot of courses of Python in data visualization and data analysis and machine learning and AI. Last but not least, object-oriented programming. Python support object-oriented programming, allowing developers to structure code using classes and objects for better modularity and code organization. But object-oriented programming doesn't mean structuring your code with classes and objects. There's a lot of concepts inside the object-oriented programming that we will discuss in this course after clearing the basics of Python. Stay connected and subscribe for watching our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.